Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you?
I am good.
Okay, that's good. Now you are at Rumah Belajar Bersama. You are going to practice nominal tense. All the boxes here you have to answer orally without reading sentence. Just do it by yourself. What is on your mind? Say it. Positive, positive interrogative. Negative, negative interrogative. Do you understand? From simple present to past, future, perfect. Okay. Before that, you can introduce yourself. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Haukal Sidik. You can call me Haukal.
Okay, Haukal. What do you want to do, Haukal?
Nominal tense practice.
Yeah, practice nominal tense. Okay, are you ready, Haukal? Okay, like this one. This one. Okay, put it down. Yeah. Okay. What the sentence is? You are a student. 1, 2. Or you have another sentence? Ada kalimat yang lain? No. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. You are a student.
You are a student.
Are you a student? Like that.
Are you a student?
Negative.
You are not a student.
You aren't.
You aren't a student.
Negative interrogative.
Are you not a student?
Aren't you?
Aren't you a student?
I
am a student.
Yeah.
Interrogative, am I a student? Negative, I am not a student. Negative interrogative, am I not a student?
Okay. He
is a student. Interrogative, is he a student? Negative, isn't he?
Dia bukan seorang pelajar.
Isn't
He is not.
He is not a student. He is not a student. He
Or?
is a student.
Okay. Negative interrogative.
Interrogative. Isn't he?
Is he not?
Is he not a student?
And deconstruction singkatannya. Isn't
he not?
Isn't he
Isn't he?
a student?
A student.
Okay. Simple past. You.
You were a student.
Okay.
Interrogative. Were you a student? Negative. You are not a student.
You were not.
You were not a student.
Or.
You weren't a student.
Yeah.
Negative interrogative.
Were you not?
Were you not a student?
Or
weren't you a student?
Okay.
I was a student. Interrogative. Was I a student? Negative. Was I?
Saya bukan seorang pelajar.
I was not a student. Negative interrogative.
The construction. I was not a student. I wasn't a student. Okay, repeat again. I was not.
I was not a student. I wasn't a student.
Okay, negative interrogative.
Was I not a student? Wasn't I a student?
He
is a student.
No, he is simple past. This is simple past. He was.
He was a student. Interrogative. Was he a student? Negative. He wasn't. If he was not a student, or he wasn't a student. Negative interrogative. Was he not a student, or wasn't he a student?
Okay. Simple future you.
You are a student.
Kamu akan menjadi seorang pelajar.
You will be a student. Interrogative. Will you be a student? Negative. You will not be a student.
Or
You
won't.
won't be a student.
Negative interrogative.
Negative interrogative. Will you not?
Will you not?
Will you not be a student?
Or won't you?
Won't you be a student?
I will be.
I will be a student. Interrogative. Will I be a student? Negative. I won't.
I will not.
I will not be a student, or I won't be a student. Negative interrogative.
Oh, no. Will I? Negative. Yeah, negative interrogative.
Will
I
I not be a student, or won't I be a student?
okay. Simple.
Past future.
Okay.
I
You.
would,
You.
you would be a student. Interrogative. Would you be a student? Negative. You would not be a student.
Yeah.
Or you wouldn't be a student.
Okay.
Negative interrogative. You
Would.
would you not
Yeah. Would you not?
be a student, or wouldn't you be a student?
Okay.
I am a student.
I would be.
I would be a student. Interrogative.
No.
Will I
Would I?
would I be a student? Negative. Would I
No. Saya tidak akan.
would I
I would not.
I would not be a student,
Or
I wouldn't be a student. Negative interrogative. Would I not be a student, or wouldn't I be a student?
okay. He.
He would be a student. Interrogative. Would he be a student? Negative. He would not be a student. Negative interrogative.
Constructionnya.
Negative.
Wouldn't.
He wouldn't be a student. Negative interrogative. Would he not be a student, or wouldn't he be a student?
Present perfect.
You have
You have been.
You have been a student. You have been a student. Interrogative.
Positif interrogatif ya. Have you?
Have you been a student? Negative. You would not.
You have not.
You have not been a student, or you wouldn't have.
You haven't been.
You haven't been a student. Negative interrogative.
Have you?
Have you not been a student,
Or
haven't you been a student? I have been a student. Interrogative. Have I been a student? Negative. Have I not?
Saya. Negatif. I have not.
I have not been a student. Negative interrogative.
So construction singkatan.
Negative. I have not been a student.
Singkatannya.
I haven't been a student.
Okay.
Negative interrogative. Would have
Have I not?
been a student,
Or
haven't I been a student?
yeah, he.
He has been a student. He has been a student. Interrogative. Has he been?
Positif interrogatif.
Positive interrogative. Has he been a student? Negative.
He.
He has not been a student.
Okay.
Negative interrogative. Has
Construction dulu. He has not been a student.
not been a student.
Yeah, and the construction. He.
He hasn't been a student.
Okay.
Interrogative.
Negative
Negative
interrogative.
interrogative.
Has he
Has he not been a student, or hasn't he been a student?
You. Past. What is the name of the tense? Past
Perfect.
Past perfect.
You
You what?
you had
Yeah, you had.
you had been a student. Positive interrogative. Had you been a student? Negative. You were not a
You
student.
had not.
You had not a student.
No, you had not been.
You had not been a student.
Or
Or you hadn't been a student. Negative interrogative. Had you not been a student? Or
hadn't you?
hadn't you been a student?
Future. Huh?
I was a student.
I had been.
I had been a student. I had been a student. Positive interrogative. Had I been a student? Negative. I had not been a student. Or I hadn't been a student. Negative interrogative. Had I not been a student?
Or
hadn't I been a student?
hadn't I been?
Hadn't I been a student? You.
He
He was.
he had.
He had been a student. He had been a student. Positive interrogative. Had he been a student? Negative.